This video shows how to clean your Beako Smartbird feeder. First, lift the roof and remove the hopper. Make sure the top surface is completely free of seeds. Leftover seeds here can stop the roof from closing smoothly. Next, check the base of the feeder, especially where the container meets the tray. Clean thoroughly. Seeds here can prevent the roof from opening or closing. Now, remove the roof and the tray completely from the feeder. This will make it easier to give all the parts a deep clean. Using a clean sponge or cloth with mild detergent, gently scrub the roof and the tray. For the hopper, use a long-handled brush with mild detergent to clean the inside thoroughly. Once done, rinse all parts with clean water to remove any residue. Use a clean, dry cloth to wipe down all the washed parts, and allow them to air dry completely before reassembling the feeder. With a damp cloth dipped in clean water, no detergent, gently wipe the feeder's body. Avoid soaking this part to protect the electronic components. Finally, reattach the tray, hopper and roof securely. Your feeder is now clean, fresh, and ready to welcome more feathered visitors. Thanks for watching. If you need more support or detailed guides, visit us at kiwibit.com/pages/support.